This video will walk you through the steps to complete your annual recertification using the RentCafe Portal. You are required to submit an annual recertification to update your household members, income, assets, and expenses. It is important to complete this process on time to ensure your housing assistance continues without interruption and that your information is accurate. First, you'll want to log into your RentCafe account. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Certifications and give that a click. You'll start by selecting your preferred language. After that, you'll see the Welcome to your annual recertification screen, which outlines the sections you will need to complete. Click Next to keep moving. Now, we need to review your household information. You'll see a list of your current household members. For each person listed, you must click Review and Confirm. A box will appear prompting you to verify their details like birthdays, social security numbers, and citizenship status. If you do need to add someone, click Add Household Member and fill in their details. You can also delete household members who no longer live with you. Once everything looks correct, click Next to save your progress. The next page is for your emergency contact. While this is optional, it is highly recommended to add a person or organization who can help resolve issues on your behalf. Click Review and Confirm to update their information, and make sure to check the boxes on the right side to specify why CMHA is authorized to contact them, such as for emergencies or to assist with your recertification. Once you have finished on the emergency contact page, click Next. This will take you to the member background page. This page poses a series of questions about the members of your household so that CMHA can gather all of the necessary information about your household composition. Please answer each question truthfully and to the best of your ability. Click Next when you have finished. The next page is where you can indicate if anyone in the home requires a reasonable accommodation. If necessary, fill in the required boxes and click Next to continue. Moving on to the financial side, on the income page, you will review your current earnings. Click Review and Confirm next to each income source to ensure the amounts are accurate. Make any necessary updates and click Next. This will take you to the Assets page. Just like before, click Review and Confirm to check over your listed bank accounts or assets, updating any values as needed before clicking Next. You'll then see the section for expenses where you can make any final edits or updates to your household expenses. Once you click Next, you will be taken to the final review page. Before we finish, the system will run an error check. If it says we didn't find any errors, go ahead and click Next. Now it's time for the paperwork. On the Documents page, click Upload, then choose Files to find your supporting documents like pay stubs or bank statements. Once they're selected, click Upload again, and then hit Next. This will take you to the Summary page. Take a second to review your members, income, expenses, and assets one last time. If everything looks correct, scroll to the bottom, accept the terms, and click Next. Now it's time to provide a signature. On the Sign and Submit page, you will see a list of documents. Click here to sign for each one. A disclosure and consent box will pop up. Read through this, click Agree and Continue. Now you can use your mouse or finger to create your signature and initials. Then hit Save and Continue. Lastly, the system will show you the final document. Look for the yellow Sign buttons on the document page. Once you click them, they will turn green, indicating your signature has been applied. Once the document shows as complete, just hit Finish. If you are the only adult in your household, your request is officially submitted. However, if you have other adults living with you, the system will bring you to the Signing Complete page, showing that the package is waiting on additional signatures. Click Invite Other Adult to sign, enter their email address on the invite screen, and send it over to them so that they can log in and sign their portion of the document. And that's it, you have successfully submitted your annual recertification. If you have any questions, please contact 216-431-1471.